It's easy to craft a simple but effective bass drum tailored to any situation. Let's make one from scratch using Xfer's Serum synth. Starting with the default preset, head to oscillator A and call up a sine wave. Set its random phase to 0%, so the wave's phase resets every time. Then shift its phase to 60 degrees. This starts the sine from midway through the waveform, giving us an initial click. Serum's envelope 1 is hardwired to amplitude. Unlike a booming 808 kick, a punchy house-esque bass drum is typically tight and short, so pull sustain to minimum, before setting decay to a tight value of around 520 milliseconds. An attack value of 0.2 milliseconds brings out that click a bit more. Now it's time to sweep the sine's pitch from high to low with an envelope, which will create the distinctive punch we need. Head to LFO 1, flip it to envelope, i.e. one-shot mode, then drag the existing node fully left to dial in a downward spin. We'll come back and tweak this shape later, but for now assign the LFO to modulate oscillator A's pitch by dragging LFO 1's target cross and dropping it onto oscillator A's coarse tune slot. Switch this modulation from bipolar to unipolar by Shift-Alt clicking in the mod destination slot. Now you can shape this rapid pitch fall to design the type of bass drum you want. Drag LFO 1's central node downwards to bend the straight line into an exponential spike shape. Then tweak the amount of LFO to pitch modulation. Interaction between pitch mod amount and the modulator's shape will determine the kick's pitch bump. Generally, the more languid the curve, the more of a 909 style punch you'll get. Whereas a tighter pitch spike will sound more 808-esque. From here you can layer an additional transient component using Serum's noise oscillator. And apply distortion, drive and other effects to taste.